to the power plants, and you probably felt them under your feet when you guys were inside there. Just across the center of the dam, so now we are in Arizona, and we're the same time right now. Arizona's mountain time, we're Pacific time. And if you guys look off to the right here, you can see in this tunnel, the concrete in there is 3 feet thick, and the tunnel itself is 50 feet wide.
Wow.
Yep, they were the diversion tunnels. 2 of them, they ended up corking them off, and the other 2 became the spillways. They added the spillways on later on the top here. I call them Plan B. When the water level gets up too high, they take the overflow. That's why they call them spillways. Arizona is known as the Grand Canyon State. The entire Grand Canyon fits in the state of Arizona. The Grand Canyon is 277 miles long. I'm going to go down below here and stop so you guys can get out and get a picture. Go closer to the water. There's that World War II bunker we were talking about. See, this is a slick and slide from an earthquake right here on the right. We were talking about. Right, when that white line is full, when the water's up to the top of that, that's when it's full. 500, over 500 feet deep.